Guys, Shadow here, back with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to Skibidi Toilet Dark Zone 22. So guys, let's react to this new Skibidi Toilets episode from the Dark Zone Skibidi TV. Let's react. Alrighty. Oh, these school toilets. Dude, they are taking over too much. Let's hope they don't, or else someone's teleporting. Who's it? It's Titan TVMAN. I want to hear more, so let's just put this a little up. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Damn. What was that? What was in this? Oh, these things. Wait, no, not these things. I don't even know what these are. Like rocket launchers things? Like rocket launcher. Throw things. Oh, damn, he's pissed. He's walking hella quick. Oh, damn. The base is getting destroyed. No, there's a lot of school toilets with lasers. What it? He's turning into a tornado. Oh, damn. Titan just turned into a tornado. Holy crap. Damn. Speaking weird. How long is this? Oh, it's ending, I think. Yeah, it's already ending. Yep, it ended. Well, guys, don't forget to leave a like, hit the notification button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I got Shadow out. Peace.